Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting now? Plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port and power it with the included adapter. Make sure your TV input matches the HDMI you used, and keep your phone or tablet nearby and charged. Open the Google Home app, tap the plus icon to add a device, and follow the on-screen pairing QR or code prompts. Do this first because the device needs pairing before you can cast. Once paired, the Chromecast will appear in Google Home, ready for configuration. Once paired, select your Chromecast in Google Home and choose the Wi-Fi network to join. Enter the password carefully because this links the device to your network. Name it something short and recognizable, since that name is what you'll speak or tap when casting. Allow firmware updates to finish. They often fix stability and codec support. To test, open YouTube or the Chrome browser, tap the cast icon, and choose your Chromecast so you can confirm video and audio route correctly to the TV. To finish, stop casting from the cast icon or by saying the assistant command. You can control volume from your phone, TV, remote, or voice. If guests need to cast, enable guest mode so they pair with a PIN without joining your Wi-Fi. If casting fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Power cycle the Chromecast and your router, unplug each for 10 seconds, then restart. If that still fails, factory reset as a last resort, because resets erase configs, but resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.